Hello viewer, today we will learn about social studies of India. So my first question is who was the founder of Indian National Congress? The correct option is A. O. Hume was the founder of Indian National Congress. Okay, question number 2, who lead the Indian independence movement? The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi lead the Indian independence movement. Okay, question number 3. What was the significance of the Salt March? The answer is a protest against British salt tax was the significance of Salt March. Okay, question number 4. What is the capital of India? The correct answer is New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, question number 5. Which river is the longest in India? The correct answer is Ganga's river is the longest in India. Okay. Question number 6. What is the largest state in India by area? The correct answer is Rajasthan is the largest state in India by area. Okay, question number 7. What is the main sector contributing to India's GDP? The correct answer is service sector is the main sector contributing to India's GDP. Okay, question number 8. What is the term for India's economic reforms in 1991? The correct answer is liberalization is the term for India's economic reforms in 1991. Okay, question number 9. What is the primary occupation in rural India? The correct answer is agriculture is the primary occupation in rural India. Question number 10. What is the supreme law of India? The correct answer is Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Okay, question number 11. Who is the head of the Indian government? The correct answer is Prime Minister is the head of the Indian government. Okay, question number 12. What is the role of judiciary in India? The answer is to interpret law and ensure justice is the role of judiciary in India. Okay, question number 13. What is the significance of the caste system in India? The answer is social hierarchy and division is the significance of caste system in India. Okay, question number 14. What is the term of the practice of dowry in India? The answer is dowry system is the term for practice of dowry in India. Question number 15. What is the importance of festivals in Indian culture? The correct answer is promotes unity and diversity is the importance of festivals in Indian culture. Okay, question number 16. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Okay, question number 17. What is the significance of midday meal scheme? The correct answer is provide nutrition to school children is the significance of midday meal scheme. Okay, question number 18. What is the term for Indian diverse culture hierarchy heritage? The correct answer is unity and diversity is the terms of Indian diverse cultural and heritage. Okay, question number 19. Who was the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution. Okay, question number 20. What is the significance of Right to Information Act? The correct answer is promote transparency and accountability is the significance of the right to information. Okay, question number 21. What is the main cause of deforestation in India? The correct answer is agriculture expansion and urbanization is the main cause of deforestation in India. Okay, question number 22. What is the significance of the forest Conservation Act? The correct answer is protect forest ecosystems is the significance of the Forest Conservation Act. Okay, question number 23. What is the term for sustainable development? Uh, Answer is development that meets present need without compromising future need is the term of sustainable development. Okay, question number 24. What is the significance of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan? The correct answer is universalized elementary education is the significance of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Okay, question number 25. Who was the leader of Chipko movement? Sundar Lal Bhagwana was the leader of Chipko movement. Okay, question number 26. What is the term for India's wildlife conservation efforts? The correct answer is Project Tiger, and other is the term for India's wildlife conservation efforts. Okay, question number 27. What is the significance of the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act? The correct answer is provide employment opportunity is the significance of the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Okay, question number 28. Who is the founder of Self Employment Women Association? The correct answer is Ela Bhatt is the founder of Self Applied Women Association. Okay, question number 29. What is the term for India's economic growth model? The answer is mixed economy is the term for India's economic growth model. Okay, question number 30. What is the significance of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign? The correct answer is promote girls' education and welfare is the significance of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. Thank you for watching.